Even though Chaos's last tip turned out to be legit, I'm still a little leery about trusting him. Right now, though, it's about the only lead we have, so I'm game to check it out. How about you? Cool! Let's go get that evil Dreamcatcher, and this time, she's not getting away! The Dreamcatcher must have already started stealing the dreams from these scientists, because this place used to look like a pretty normal observatory, and now it's... whatever this is. I just hope she wasn't able to learn anything from their weird dreams yet. So let's wake up the sleeping scientists, take down that Dreamcatcher, and cross our fingers this isn't all a dream right now, because I hate it when that happens.
Where am I? What the?
Skylander! Long time no see, huh? Since we made such a great team back at the swamps, I thought I might help you out here too. Maybe even start with this broken bridge. Just jump on that pump button enough times to engage the pulse blocks. What am I talking about? Well, jump on the button to find out. Oh, I see the problem here. These pulse blocks are just out of alignment. Push them back into position and I'll fire up the generator. Sounds like a plan, huh? See? That did something good. Now use that pump button to get up, and we can finally reactivate this bridge. And that is how you reactivate a bridge. In a weird dreamland, I guess. Anyway, follow me! And watch out for some equally weird hazards along the way. Oh, man. Would you believe it? A locked door. I don't know what the key is doing up there, or how you can get up there yourself, but I'm sure if you power up that pulse generator, it will give you access. Seems only fair, right? That button up there should pump blocks up and out, but how to get there? Oh, I bet it has something to do with going down this path, but maybe that's just me.
Skylanders of the water element are strong.
You again? Sigh. I bet you're here to ruin more of my fun, but I'm afraid your ruining days are over, you ruiner. I mean, soon-to-be former ruiner.
Live on the edge.
guess you have a few more ruining days left, but no matter. All I need to do is slow you down a little while I continue to steal the dreams of these scientists. And since that's exactly what I just did, yay me.
My friend and I have a little wager here. He claims that there is no scientific proof of hypnosis. I say, nuh-uh.
Hypnosis. Poppycock. Boulder Dash. No one's going to hypnotize me, but I'll put good money on that.
I want to win this bet by having Mastermind hypnotize my friend. Could you possibly arrange such a thing? I'd be happy to split my winnings with you. My friend and I have a little wager here. He claims that there is no...
Mastermind.
Mastermind! I was just telling my friend over there how you were going to hypnotize him into thinking he's a chicken. Want to prove me right?
Buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck.
Hilarious! Oh, Mastermind, you have not only helped me win a bet, but tickled my funny bone. As promised, please take half my winnings.
Buck, 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 buck.
It's all just mind over master.
Skylanders of the water element are stronger in this zone.
Hey, you did... What a crazy place! Full of sleeping scientists having their dreams stolen and phantom platforms that activate when you get near them. Classic! Anyway, just follow those platforms to wake up all the scientists and be careful not to fall off of them. Ooh, those scientists are fast asleep. Keep attacking the beds until they wake up. Don't worry, you won't hurt them or anything. There you go. See? He's totally fine.
Skylanders of the magic element are stronger.
Well, this isn't my bedroom. No, wait. Yes, it is.
Hi, Ruiner. Me again. Since getting the information I want out of those crazy scientists' dreams is taking longer than expected, I thought I might slow you down again. And if you should happen to get really, really hurt during the process, all the better. Ta!
On the hunt.
got axed. Up high. Oh yeah. Going up. Up high. Going up. Oh yeah. Up high. Going up. Oh yeah.
Villains are stronger in this zone.
Cut it out. Whoa! You got axed.
The things going on at this observatory defy scientific explanation, so we locked the door out there and hid in this crate. Been playing Skystone Smash in here ever since, and I'm pretty good. Think you can beat me? Well, first of all, you must be crazy, but second of all, if you do manage to win, I will give you the key. Whatever you say, confirmed crazy person.
Chill Bill. Mastermind. Broccoli Guy. Chef Pepperjack. Fireball. Broccoli Guy. Ice Cream. Bruiser Cruiser. Chompy May. Heart Boost. Dreadnought. The Gulper. Bruiser Cruiser. I-5.
Hey, your victory defies scientific explanation, too. What's up with that science?
Can't tame the wild. Buried the hatchet.
What time is it? Must have slept through my alarm.
Villains are stronger in this zone.
On the right.
Skylanders of the undead element are stronger in this zone.
So that was all just a dream.
Ugh. How am I supposed to steal these scientists' dreams with you waking everybody up? It's like you have now become my worst nightmare. I don't know if that's ironic or just a total bummer, but what I do know is I'm about to send more evil minions your way. plus a special surprise I won't ruin. See ya!
Call of the Wild. Oh, yeah.
Your time is running out. Good signal.
My energy is growing.
Hoodsickle defeated. I've got an axe to grind with you. Hoodsickle trapped. Here comes
I just had the strangest dream.
Oh, have I slept? Have I slept?
Huh? Well, this isn't my bedroom. No, wait. Yes, it is.
Skylanders of the magic element are stronger in this zone.
See the light. Outshining the rest.
Skylanders of the magic element are stronger in this zone.
A guy?
Where am I? I'm gonna stick it to you.
Hey, Yata. stronger.
You'll never lick me.
Pinata defeated.
Put a magic trap in the portal to trap this villain.
What's there to decide? I'm filled with candy.
Put a magic trap in the portal.
Ugh, I ate too much candy for this ride.
Pinata trapped.
Sweet. Batter up.
At the ready.
Boy, I bet you're wondering what happened to me, huh? I was with you earlier and then, poof, disappeared. I'll have to tell you the whole story one day, but for now, let's focus on that dream catcher. She's just beyond this door. Ready to take her on? All right, let's light this candle. Relatively speaking, of course.
You're too late, Sky Ruiner. I've already learned the secrets of Traptanium from these scientists' dreams. But this whole hero thing you're doing is getting really tiresome, so I think it's time I finally put an end to it.
Dreamcatcher.
Prepare to be blown away. Dream Tornado! You look a little too comfy standing on that solid ground, Skylander. How about I fix that for you? Why is it that anytime I harness the power of someone's dreams, I also get sheep? Sweet! Sweet! Don't mind the sheep, Skylander. Just remnants of the Mabu's dreams. Something you will soon be too. I'm out of dream energy! Quick! Somebody fall asleep! Bye and good night. No, huh? Well, can't blame a head for trying. Dream Tornado!
Dreamcatcher defeated.
Put an air trap in the portal to trap this.
Whoa! OMG!
Dreamcatcher defeated.
Nice job apprehending that evil dream catcher, Skylander.
Yes! Finally!
Our good buddy Chaos here has also informed us that the Doom Raiders plan to take over the Mystic Mill so they can build an army of creepy wooden soldiers. I've sent the Mabu Defense Force on ahead to investigate.
Mabu Defense Force! You have seriously got to be kidding me! Those idiots couldn't find hay in a haystack!
That sounds like a job for the best pilot in all of Skylands. Come back, Boom!
Flynn, your leg's all healed.
Healed and ready for adventure time. Just say the word Skylander, and we are off to this Mystic Mill.